Hi everyone. I built this app for EATIN and kind of myself as well. I am what is known a recipe hoarder. My TikTok and Instagram are full of recipes that I never find, I can never search, so I also never cook. So I created an iPhone app for chefs and myself for both to get the best of the both worlds. So what I have in the app is a couple of things. One thing is I can search by ingredient. I can add any recipe with URL. But I think what is most important is this part. It's a kind of small thing, but it's not. It is for me, once I actually cook, to save those recipes or take a picture of what I cooked and save those notes. And I have it here in my dishes, where basically the story is that I chose to cook the schnitzel, and once I cooked it, I can add comments how it went and take a picture of it. And that creates memories. That could be just my girl dinner, or it could be a dinner for 10 or Christmas next year. I don't know. But it becomes a place where I keep the memories of the things that I cooked myself and my loved ones in my home. I think this is really cool feature and something that would make me want to cook more, because you're not just cooking for food, you are really creating memories with this app. And that also makes, from the monetization point of view, sense, because people want the memories. They want the feeling of what happened that night after they cooked the dinner or lunch, and they have a place to save those memories. But the app does, of course, other things as well. I can search. So let's say I have chicken in my fridge, and it gives me recipes with chicken in it. I've also added serving size, which automatically edits these. So if it's just 2 people or 8 people, it always edits the recipe as needed. And I have it here, ingredients and instructions. So I removed all the stuff that is usually on a URL, on a page, that makes the browsing not so great. But what is really, I think, the best part is also to start cooking. So once you are in cook mode, first of all, the screen will never go to screensaver. It will always stay open. This solves a huge issue I have with recipes, is that the ingredients and instructions are never on the screen at the same time. So if somebody says in instructions, add the milk, you have no clue how much it is, and you just scroll. And you're scrolling most likely with your dirty fingers. So I made these into a split screen where the top is ingredients, below is instructions. Both are scrollable if needed, and you can add what you have used already if you wish to do so. And then once you're done cooking comes the part where you keep the memories. I asked how it turned out. You can take a picture or add from gallery. You can add occasion. So let's say this was dinner date or something like that. You can add it so you find it easily. And most important, what was good about it? What to remember next time? Maybe it was a little too salty, or you oven needed 5 minutes more time. It's all saved in the app for next time you want to cook. And I also mentioned that you can add a recipe. This could be anywhere from online. Here I'm adding one recipe from EATIN's website. Just give it a minute. It's fetching and extracting all the information from the page. And there you have it. And then I can save the recipe. And next time I have salmon. Here's the recipe we just added. The images take a little longer to load, hence they're not shown in simulator here, but eventually you will also have images, and then you can decide the serving size, start cooking and creating those memories.